Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert a table in the Google Docs app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Google Docs app. Here it opens up in Drive files. From here we just have to select the document that we want to edit. And then here we have to tap on the pencil icon in the bottom right corner. Then we have to tap on the plus icon in the top row, and here we find table. Here we can set how many columns and how many rows we want the table to have. Let's have 6 columns and 3 rows, and then tap on insert table, and here we have the table inside the document. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.